the sake of health, I took a walk last week at early dawn. I met a jolly turfman as I slowly jogged along. The kindest salutation passed twixt this man and me, and I soon got acquainted with the turfman from Ardee. We chatted very freely as we jogged along the road. He says me ass is tired and I want to sell me load, for I've got no refreshment since I left my home, you see, and I'm weary of the travelling, says the turfman from Ardee. For I've got no refreshment since I left my home, you see, and I'm weary of the travelling, says the turfman from Ardee. Your cart is racked and worn, friend, your ass is very old. It must be 20 summers since that animal was foaled. He was yoked and trapped when I was born, September 83, and he cantered from the midwife, says the turfman from Ardee. I own me cart, it must be made of the very finest wood. I do believe it was in use at the time of Noah's flood. The axle never wanted grease but 1 year out of 3. It's a real old carrick axle, says the turfman from Ardee. The axle never wanted grease but 1 year out of 3. It's a real old carrick axle, says the turfman from Ardee. I often do abuse the beast with this rough hazel rod, although I own I never yet did drive poor Jack on shod. The harness now with the sun is back was made by John McGee, who's dead this 42 years, says the turfman from Ardee. We talked about our country's woes and how we were oppressed. The men we sent to Parliament to get our wrongs redressed. Sure, all these politicians are nothing else I see but led by bloomin' humbug, said the turfman from Ardee. Sure, all these politicians are nothing else I see but led by bloomin' humbug, said the turfman from Ardee. That I knew very well, politely asking this old man his load of turf to sell. I shook that bony hand of his and bowed respectfully, in hopes to meet some future day with a turfman from Ardee. I shook that bony hand of his and bowed respectfully, in hopes to meet some future day with a turfman from